Hello guys, we are back with our next lecture. In this lecture, let us go through the review of Unit 2 of Mathematics 1, guys. So basically from this unit, there are only one or two questions, guys. But you need to decide which method to use, guys. So basically, if both the powers are same, we'll be using the normal method. If both the powers are different, we'll be using one method. If it is in a series data, you'll be using this. If this fails, you'll be doing this. If it is something power something, you'll be using this. If it is a okay, just give me a second. If this is an alternating series, you will be using this. If you want to check absolute or conditional convergence, you will be using the normal method. And if any time if you got u of n and mod u of n and u of n both are convergent, it is absolute. If this is convergent and this is divergent, then it is a conditional, guys. So basically from this unit you need to have a clear idea on which method to use, guys. So this unit also has having the same weightage of one complete LAQ and two VSAQs, guys. Okay, and one more thing, please go through definitions for VSAQs, guys. Basically in previous year question papers, as per my observation, most of the time he asked the definitions for 2 marks and problems for LAQ. Okay, yes, and this LAQ is optional, guys. Like half part of the LAQ may or may not come. Like in some papers it is there and some papers it is not there. Okay, yes. So I hope everyone got a clear idea on this. So in the next lecture we will be starting the third unit, that is differential calculus, guys. Okay, so let us meet in the next lecture. Thank you. Thanks for watching.